Most people work hard, but never truly achieve freedom. Why? Because they don't know the secrets wealthy people live by. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful secrets that can unlock financial freedom for you in 2025. Secret 1. Think like an investor. The wealthy see money as a tool, not just a paycheck. Shift your mindset to investing, not just spending. Secret 2. Automate your savings. Don't rely on willpower. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investments. Secret 3. Own assets, not just income. Income pays the bills, but assets build freedom. Focus on stocks, real estate, or businesses. Secret 4. Eliminate bad debt. Wealthy people use debt strategically, not recklessly. Avoid debt that drains you. Secret 5. Create multiple income streams. One source is risky. Diversify your income for security and growth. Secret 6. Protect your money. Insurance, emergency funds, and risk management are invisible shields of the rich. Secret 7. Keep learning. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. Wealth is built by those who keep upgrading their knowledge. These 7 secrets are simple but life-changing. Apply them today, and your financial future in 2025 will never look the same. Which secret will you start with? Comment below.